Rooted in the belief of the land, Gaubb Group will carve a niche. Gaubb Group persists in innovation and makes full use of various conditions to develop ourselves. High-tech creates Gaubb. Excellence leads the future. Those who are good at playing games will strive for success. Founded in 1996, Gaubb Group is located in Maanshan Economic and Technological Development Zone, covering an area of 233,333 square meters. After more than 20 years of practical innovation and efforts, today, Gaubb has become a large and medium-sized group enterprise dedicated to research and development, production, sales, and service integration of auto parts. And it has more than 2,000 employees and a total output value of over 2 billion RMB. We will promote the development of enterprises through technological innovation and expand the industrial direction through diversified management. Currently, Gaubb Group owns Shanghai YBM Trade Company Limited, Yibang Run Auto Parts Company Limited, Anhui Gaubb Filtering Technology Company Limited, Gaubb Industries Company Limited, Maanshan YBM Brand Planning Company Limited, Anhui Peilun Packaging Materials Company Limited, leading science and technology using intelligent way. Gaubb Group is struggling hard to build a brand image of Digital Gaubb and gradually achieve the production control in an intelligent and automated way. Gaubb has the industry-leading oil filter automatic assembly line, air filter PU automatic assembly line, cabin filter automatic assembly line, automatic stereoscopic warehouse, etc. The comprehensive strength stands in the forefront of the industry. Meanwhile, the group always constantly updates equipment and reforms technology, and maintains the school enterprise strategic cooperation, such as Shanghai's Jiaotong University, South China University of Technology, and Hefei University of Technology, etc., to keep the technical equipment industry leading level and become a benchmarking enterprise which realizes intelligence and automation. Only high-quality products can grab anticipate opportunity. Therefore, Gaubb Group is exploring actively and implementing the lean production, ERP, WMS, MES, and other integrated systematic management. By means of simplification, the group pursues the goal of zero-defect quality with first-rate staff quality and tightly controlled process to ensure the stability of quality. Details makes the success. Quality makes the market. Relying on powerful strength and the team spirit, Gaubb won the domestic and foreign OEM and clients' praise and trust. Products are matched gloriously to brand manufacturers such as Zhengzhou Nissan Automobile, Xiamen Golden Dragon, Shenyang Brilliance Jinbei, Mianyang Xinchen Engine, Zhongxing Automobile, Leopard, Cherry, and exported to Australia, Europe, North America, and other more than 40 countries and regions. Domestic sales network spread all over the provinces, regional market and e-commerce platform, and formed an online to offline sales network layout. Set up a multi-channel, multi-mode marketing system. Moreover, Gaubb has achieved the strategic cooperation with domestic first-class chain enterprises. With advanced equipment, high-quality materials, reliable quality, and the service concept, Gaubb Group gets the favor of broad consumers. For many years, topped industry top 10 national brand, top 10 innovation and excellent enterprise, top 10 filter brand, and has passed IATF 16949 International Quality Management System certification in the industry. What is behind the honor is the accumulation of Gaubb Development Course and the reveal of family's unity. Gaubb Group would always go forward confidently and firmly throughout the journey. The culture of what Gaubb people believe in and put into practice is the core value. Gaubb culture concentrates the value criteria and spiritual intention, just like the blood into each employee's body. Keep the faith and it will last forever. Hun Peng has spread his wings to fight against the sky, intensively studying filtration industry for more than 20 years. Gaubb is never off the track and always staying the forefront of the market. Determined to be the first-class filtration products and Technic service supplier, Gaubb Group endeavors to provide safe and highly effective filter products to make filter consumers of the world trust and love the products which made in China. The passion for the future of Gaubb Group comes from Gaubb people who have solid developing steps and the service concept of high quality, focus, and excellence, which are leading us to an excellent national brand.